right, hello everybody. There we go. We are working on our even and odd confetti, and what we're going to do is we are going to be counting by twos to make math equations to count up our confetti today. So the first thing we're going to do is actually grab an eraser. So get an eraser, please. They should be in your red cup. So I am going to just wait for a little bit until you guys all have your big eraser. Okay. And we're not getting chalk pastels out today, so we're going to try to keep our hands really clean. We shouldn't have to wash our hands at the end of class because we're not using chalk pastels. So we all have our eraser now, so we're just going to very gently clean up the bottom of our artwork. Okay, the bottom section, because that is where we are going to be doing our math equations. So see how I'm going back and forth really gently like this. Okay. And I'm just going to be going through the whole thing. So go ahead, and if you have not already started doing this, go ahead and begin. And when you do wipe away the eraser dust, be careful not to come up into the middle section and wipe down, because then you're just going to get chalk pastel again. So you want to go from side to side instead of going from the top down. If you do top down, you're going to get some chalk pastel right back where you erased it from. So we're just erasing this bottom section so it's nice and clean for us to do our math. And don't erase your name. Okay, that is good enough. It does not have to be crystal clean. Mine still has a little bit of purple on it, as you can see, and that's fine. Okay, so we're going to be done with that. Now, the next step is we are going to do some addition. So we just watched a really awesome video about counting by twos, and we're going to be using that to work on our art. So let's go ahead and we're going to get a colored pencil out. You're going to get a colored pencil that is the same color as one of your pieces of confetti, okay? So I'm going to start with blue because I have blue confetti. So I'm getting a blue colored pencil. So you get a colored pencil that matches one of your confettis. All right, there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start our equation. So I'll show you some examples so you know what it will kind of look like when it's done. So see, we have addition down here and addition down here. So it will look sort of like these. Okay, so since I got my blue pencil, I'm going to be adding my blue confetti. You are going to be adding the confetti that matches your colored pencil, okay? And I'm going to be doing the strategy of counting by two. So I'm going to go 2 and write the number 2 and then plus 2. And that's all I had for mine. So 2 plus 2, I'm going to count by 2. 2, 4 is 4. So now you can go ahead and do yours. So you're going to pick a color. Well, you already picked a color. It's a color pencil. You're going to find two of the confettis of that color. You're going to say 2, and then you're going to write down 2 plus. Find another 2. 2, 2. And then if there's another 2, you do plus, and then 2, whatever the other 2 were. So I don't have a lot of confetti on this one. But see, on this one, I had 3 different blues. So I went 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Okay? All right. So we've all done our first one. I'll give you guys some time to do your first color. Okay, now let's do our second color. My second color, I'm going to get out orange. Let's all get out our second color right now. Okay. Now, this should match one of your confettis. Okay, here we go. We're doing the same thing. 2 plus 2, and I've run out. So I already have to do my equal sign again. Like I said, on this one, I didn't do a lot of confetti. So I go ahead and add them up 4 because I ran out. You don't need to add them until you run out. So now let's say, like I did with my green on this one, I had 2, let's see, 2 plus 2 plus, I had a leftover 1. So if you just have 1 left, you can just put plus 1. All right. So for my green, on this one, it was 2 plus 2 plus 1 because I had 1 left over. I didn't have any orange left over for this one. So just know if you have 1 left over, you can do plus 1. All right, done with that. I'll give you guys some time to do yours. Okay. Now let's do our next color. I'm doing green. Here we go. 2 plus 2 plus 2. And look, I have an extra. Plus 1 equals 2, 4, 6, 7. All right, now I know you probably have a lot more confetti, but I want us to take a break from doing our addition so I can teach you the next step for when you're done with your addition equations here. That's what these are called, our equations. So you guys have to figure out if it is an even or an odd number. This is how you do it. If there are no plus 1s, you didn't have any leftovers, then it's even. 2 plus 2, no leftovers, even. So you have to write it down, okay? My orange, 2 plus 2, there was no leftovers, so that's even. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, did I have a leftover? Yes. So is it even? No. It's odd. Because there's an oddball. There's an odd one. Okay? So you're going to have to also tell me if it's even or odd on them. So see how I did it on this. And on this one I had a lot of odds. Alright, so I'll go ahead and let you guys finish that up. Thanks for watching.